So today I'm going to visit this Ara Vietnamese Noodles. I was told that they have good pho, Vietnamese pho and homemade pho. So let's take a look. Opening hours, lunchtime 10 to 3, dinner 5:30 to 9, closed on Mondays. Okay, classic Vietnamese stuff. This is banh mi. Okay. Famous for their noodles here. Let's try. Here's the menu. Home cooked Vietnamese food. So they are famous for their beef noodles. But today I think I'll take this and try this. The staples, the usual. Now it's all ban siu. Okay, this one need one more people. Fried spring rolls I think okay. So I can get fried spring rolls and also the noodles. We have banh mi, and what's a Vietnamese restaurant without Vietnamese coffee? Huh? Impossible. It doesn't exist. Okay, lemongrass pork vermicelli. And this is the fried spring roll. So this sauce, you can eat any way you want. You can just put it in here to you. And this sauce is for this, but actually it's the same, I think. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, what's a Vietnamese meal without Vietnamese coffee? You must have the drip coffee. This is the pink filter. I have one at home as well. Won't be using it yet. As usual, the smell is amazing. Vietnamese coffee. Okay. Well, it's supposed to mix it up. That is one thing about Vietnamese food. They are very healthy for Malaysian. Malaysian, we have a lot of this MSG, you know. But Vietnamese food is always generally very healthy, and it's a lot of vegetable. This is no exception. So the taste of the noodles come actually from the sauce. So the noodles is good actually. I love the taste, texture. Look at the colors. Vietnamese food, I noticed a lot of colors. Spring roll and Vietnamese food you cannot separate. Spring roll is part of their culture. So spring roll here, usually in Vietnam, what they have is the fresh spring roll. But in Malaysia, you have to Malaysianize it. We love fried food, right? So this is the fried spring roll. Dip it. Okay, this is good. You know how they do it. This pork, it's very good. Full of flavor. Can taste a bit of lemongrass. A bit of lemongrass and not spicy, just that, how to say, it's full of flavor. It's also not spicy, and I can taste lemongrass, the herbs. Okay, I don't know how it does it, but it's good. Can you see the milk here? So you have to stir the coffee before you pour. Take this out, put on top, cap, like this. Prevent them from dripping. Then take a spoon, stir. If you want ice, then you put inside the ice. Stay. Ice, they will just give you ice. Put aside. Like this. That's it. There you have it, Vietnamese drip coffee ice. I cannot get this taste at home. Then I think I know why. Look at this. Look at the amount of coffee they use. I only use like one small line or bit. Look at the coffee. Let me just, yeah, look at it. See how deep the spoon goes. This is how much they use. I'll go back and try once I get my new batch of Vietnamese coffee.